Found a ZPRJ file from an old photo project and not sure what created it? This is a project file from ArcSoft's Print Creations suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening and recovering content from these ArcSoft Print Creations data files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized ZPRJ tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. ZPRJ files are project data files created by ArcSoft Print Creations, a consumer photo printing application suite. They store complete project information including photo references, layout templates, text elements, decorative graphics, and print settings for greeting cards, calendars, scrapbook pages, and photo collages. ZPRJ files use a proprietary ArcSoft container format, storing references to source images, positioning data text overlays, template selections, and decorative elements. The structure includes layout coordinates, effect parameters, print orientation settings, and dependencies on ArcSoft's template and clipart libraries, bundled with the application. The optimal viewer for the ZPRJ format is generally considered to be ArcSoft Print Creations from ArcSoft. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows can identify the file but not its underlying structure, so compatible tools must be used. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your ZPRJ file and choose Open With. Check for ArcSoft Print Creations and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If you still cannot open your ZPRJ file, that is okay. The nature of the ZPRJ format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, opening an ArcSoft Print Creations. Install ArcSoft Print Creations on a Windows computer and launch the application. Use File then Open to browse to the ZPRJ file and load the project. The application restores the layout template photos and decorative elements, allowing continued editing and printing of the original creative project. Next, locating source photos. If photos appear missing when opening the ZPRJ file, relink them by browsing to the original image folders. ArcSoft Print Creations stores references to image paths rather than embedding photos, so source files must remain in their original locations or be redirected through the missing media dialog. Finally, exporting final output. Within ArcSoft Print Creations, export the project as a PDF or high-resolution image using the print or save as functions. This preserves the final layout for sharing or printing on any system without requiring the original ArcSoft software, ensuring long-term access to your creative work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.